It was an amazing sight indeed to witness two elderly siblings gingerly walking side by side to the polling station to cast their votes for the adjourned by-election to the Soy Young Assembly constituency held today. The two grey-haired sisters, Kror Sun and Amula Sun, have always accompanied each other whenever they have gone out to exercise their franchise in the past, and this time also it was no different. With a cane in her hand, Kror Sun spoke with pride about her participation in the Festival of Democracy. She said, "We have voted countless times. We don't even remember when was the first time we exercised our franchise." Similarly, her younger sister Amula Sun expressed that she gets excited every time she goes out to vote. In every election, we always hope for a leader to work for the people. We expect schemes and development to reach the constituency, she said. Meghalaya government has successfully carried